Yankee 01, this is Foxtrot Sierra 03.
Foxtrot Sierra 03, this is Yankee 01, center traffic.
Alpha 02 acquired, lat long to follow.
Roger. Ready to copy.
39 degrees, 2 minutes, 58 seconds north. 85 degrees, 31 minutes, 35 seconds west.
Copy, lat long.
No threat activity southeast corner. Launch X-ray 02 to confirm target disposition.
Foxtrot Sierra 03, copy all. Launching X-ray 02 now.
Roger, Yankee 01. No further traffic at this time. Foxtrot Sierra 03 out.
Copy, Yankee 01 out.
Catherine has confirmed with the asset that the target is located in a prison cell, bottom floor, and they're able to get gear, equipment, explosives, and charges. Ready to go in 30 minutes? Let's do this.
Last man.
Split left. Split left. Where you at? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Right there.
Clint. Let's go.
Are you Clint?
Yes.
What's your last name?
Right.
Date of birth?
7/4/1977.
Where are you from?
Milwaukee.
Is this booby trap? Is there anything that can hurt us here? Trying to get attention.
I don't think so.
Where did you see the guards last? How many?
That's 6.
All right, jackpot confirmed.
01 to 02. Target secure. Break. You're good, Jonas. Go ahead. Target secure. Break. Jackpot. How copy? 0102. Copy for exfil. How copy? All elements. Exfil. 0102.
Let me know if you're not feeling good. Let me know if you're feeling dizzy.
Okay.
You got to get a move on here, but don't worry, everything's going to be okay.
Thank you.
We get that on, get that foot on you.
Okay.
Do not run away. Moving. All right, stay by the line. Control. Let me know if you got any problems. Don't worry about anything. Doing all right. You're going to get you out of here. Right? Here, stay by.
Go left.
All right, let's go. Move. All right, hug this corner. Go back in there. Got it. Go. Move. Move. Slowly, brother. All right. Move it. Stand by. You're good. Body
One going outside. How copy?
Keep moving. In the vehicle. Get in the back. Get in the back.